you go. Alright guys, last run was a win. We got a 1669.
I decided I'ma spit it to him, laid back, flow like a nigga you can picture in the meat.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. As you can see in the last video, we took this thing to the drag strip and around a 1669. So since then, not much has happened. I had an engagement party, but it's time to get back into it, and we're going to start off by doing some simple stuff. And as you can see, we finally got the RIPIN plates on the territory. So I've already started tidying the body up. We've brought back the paint a bit, restored the headlights, and we've also got some stuff under the hood that I've already started doing. And obviously we've got the air intake we made up there, which is going to come off anyway because we're going to put the turbo on it. But we've got the chrome covers for the ECU and the fuse box and the power steering. And we've got a few other things we're going to add to it. So I'm going to get cracking. I think we need to put the turbo oil line feed holder there. And I think we're going to put the other engine cover on there. So we'll get stuck into that and we'll see what it looks like. So we're going to start off with the Aeroflow oil feed line holder. We're going to do this in preparation for when we do the turbo conversion. This one's simple. We just undo that bolt, undo that one. They're quite long. And then yeah, chuck it on. No worries. And it's simple as that. It's all fitted up, looking all nice and neat. Now time to move on to the coil cover. So this is the coil cover we have. Mainly just want it because of the aluminium strip up the middle. It's glued down and stuff, so I can't just chuck it on the new one. And any little thing to add to the engine bay, I thought why not. So yeah, we just got to get rid of that one, chuck this one on. See you later. And there we have it. Coil cover is on. New aluminium strip up the middle there. And you know what? I've even got a, while we're here, we may as well do it as well. Got a chrome cap. Didn't know whether to use this, but we'll chuck it on there anyway. And match the other one. But yeah, that's what's going on with the territory today. Engine bay is looking a little bit more spicy. But yeah, we've got more stuff going on with the territory. Obviously, I'm just trying to get all the bits together to actually start on the turbo conversion. But we've got a few things I can do before then. And yeah, this is a fun project. It's going to be a fun one. So yeah, guys, keep in tune for the following updates and the turbo conversion. And yeah, we'll keep on kicking along with this build. So until the next one, guys, see you later.
But the slide in that pussy is a homicide.